Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Versace eyeglasses model VE3280B in color code 108. The color of the frame is Havana. On its temples is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also cat eye shape. On its temple, you'll find the Versace Medusa branding. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Versace logo that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 51 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Versace gift box, a Versace hard case, a black Versace cleaning cloth, and a Versace booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.